Oh my god. Oh my god. So, you guys already know what this is, okay? Y'all already know what that is. Oh my god. Alright, let me set you guys up. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I didn't even see you guys there. Hi. Is this too dark for you? Is this better? I think this is better. Okay. Oh my god. I'm fixing my tripod. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. After a long wait, I have received my Erin Condren. So excited, so excited. So get this, I ordered one and the package says it was lost, right? So I ordered another one. Oh, so I ordered the life planner, right? And then it said the package was lost. Now I ordered another one, the deluxe, and it's just taking so long to get here. So I figured I really wanted a life planner, but the life planner is gone, is missing. So I'm just gonna get another one, you know? So I have 3 packages coming in. I don't know which one this one is. I'm gonna be excited for either one of them to, I'm excited. I don't know which one this is, but I'm so excited. Oh my god. Alright, so a little backstory. I love planning, okay? I am a planner girl, and I am sometimes shy to tell my friends because they're like, what? Just write it on your phone. I'm like, it's not just write it on my phone. Like, ever since I was little, like, I have always seen like cartoons and TV shows of girls planners and stuff, and I always wanted one. I think it's really cute that, you know, you have your own little journal. I actually do have a journal. It's like a diary slash journal. Like, I write all my stuff in there. Memory keeping in there, and I just love the fact too, I have really bad memory, so I love the fact that, you know, I have a nice planner, I love brands, okay? Say whatever you want, I really love brands, especially if it works. Like, I love my purses that I have. If it works, it works. This is not a brand, this is like Ross, but I mean, if it works, it works, you know? But I haven't really seen a planner like this one, and I'm so excited. It's my dream to be on your PR list, Erin Condren. If you're watching this, I would love to be on your list. We'll see. Maybe in the future, if you love me, I can be on your list. But I would really like to be on your list, okay? But anyways, I'm so excited. So yeah, I don't know if this is the Life Planner 1 that got lost, or the Life Planner 2 that, I mean, my deluxe number, like order number 2, the deluxe that is taking forever to come, or if it's order number 3, my life planner that was supposed to replace the number 1, because number 1 is apparently missing. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, I'm gonna shut the fuck up and open this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, can I do it? Okay, hold on. Oh. Okay, you ready? Sus. Okay. Oh, I almost dropped it. Oh my god. Okay, I suck. Alright. By the way, I live in Hawaii, so I'll always have tan lines. Oh my god. Okay, so first impression. Okay, the newspaper. Ooh. I will definitely be going through this. I'll leave it at the dinner table so I can read it at the dinner table, okay? Oh my god. Oh, you know what I thought? I thought mine was not gonna come in a box. So this is the life planner, right? Because the life planner comes in the box. Oh, so I didn't think mine was gonna come in the box. I thought it was gonna come in this box only, not in this one. But oh my god, it's here. And my discount code. I'm gonna save that. Because, you know, I need it. I need it. I'm in Hawaii and everything is, like, shipping is so expensive. Oh my god. Okay, so... Oh, so this is... Okay, I already know what this is, because look. This is my first order. The one that went missing, aka my life planner Verticle Flower Power. Oh, these are the pens I ordered. Look at these pens. I love pens so much. And you know what? Like, so I used to live in Virginia, and then when I moved here to Hawaii, I didn't have much space for my luggage. So all I really could bring was like my purses and my clothes. That's all I could bring. Anything else was too expensive to ship over here. So I left all my nice pens to my little sisters who also are like me and love to plan and write stuff down. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, I see all these girls with this and I'm just like, now I have my own. Oh my, okay, everybody says that theirs is like foggy and smoky. I will tell you the truth, okay? It's foggy and smoky. Just kidding. Oh, okay, I get what they're saying. Like inside it looks like a little dirty, but you know what I think it is? I'm gonna tell you guys what I think it is, okay? I think it's a powder they put in there for it not to get moist. You know, to dry up the moisture, because it is plastic. That's what I think it is. Okay, I'm not even gonna complain because I already said I want to be put on the PR list. I'm just kidding. I like this. This is cute. I have a lot of these and I think it's really cute that at least I can have the Erin Condren one. So this is gonna be really cute. I do love going to the beach a lot, so I'm probably gonna put like my things in here that I don't want to get all sandy. Okay, so here it is. Flower Power Vertical Planner. Okay, so this one starts in July, right? Oh. Okay, come on. Nobody's really surprised, right? Because, come on, I already saw this in Jen's plans. Or Maddie got plans or whatever. Oh my god, this is so, oh my god, look at it. Oh, it's so cute. With this nice ass ruler. Dang, I have a ruler, but it's not this nice. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love flamingos. Oh my god. It smells like from the factory. Good, okay. Oh, oh my god, the pages are really nice. Oh my god, yeah, they're really thick. Okay, and they have one line paper at the back. Oh, this is nice. I'm not complaining. This is really nice. Oh my god. And then at the back, the stickers that I always wanted. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and then there's line papers in the back. Oh my god. Look at this. Girl. She loves cardboard boxes. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this so much. I really love this. Like, I need my planner. I really love my planner because I need it to write down like when my bills are due. I need to keep track of like what I'm spending because I don't want to like overspend, and I'm the queen of overspending, you know. I like to when I budget. Okay, so I'm gonna shut the fuck up. Like, this is not like I'm running for something or whatever. Oh my god, the foils are really nice. Dang, I'm so impressed, Erin Condren. You really outdid yourself. This is kind of pricey, but it's definitely worth it. I like it. I feel like, should I like really look through it and like tell you guys? Dang. Yeah. Dang, I really like it. This is nice. I really like it. I never had a planner like this. Like, yes, I've had happy planners because I literally didn't know what other planners were, but I really like this one. This is really cute. So it starts in July, so I have like another month, right? I have another month. You guys see me outside now? Okay, good. I have like another month for me to actually like, you know, begin to use it. This is really cute. So what was I gonna say? So yeah, I need my planner to write my work schedule, which is not the same every week. What I'm spending money on, so I can keep track. Also, like when it comes to groceries, I'm always like, okay, if it's $60 every couple of days, I'm good. But now I'm like, wait, no, let me just spend $60 a week on groceries for me and my spouse. Like let me let me like eat everything in the fridge before I go out and buy more stuff so the other stuff doesn't expire, you know. Yeah, so I really do need a planner, so this is perfect for me. I think it's super cute. This is so cute. It's so me. I love that it has my name. Like, you guys do not know, I have an obsession with my name. Like, everybody always tells me like, why you didn't change your name when you got married? I'm just like, why would I? Like, I love my name. My name is who I was way before I met my husband. It's who raised me. I can go on a tangent about this. So there's my name. There's my name. I love my name. So this is so cute that she like writes your name on it and everything. That's just super cute. I'm actually really in love. I do know exactly what this planner looks like because I have seen so many unboxing videos. This is so cute. I'm so happy. I'm really so happy. The markers as well, like I got these 2 markers. I forgot how much they were. I think they were like $15 or $13 or something like that. I'm sure they are worth it. And yes, guys, yes, you guys are still here. You guys still watching? Okay, so let me tell you guys some more. So basically, I do budget myself, and the way I budget myself is not because like I want to be I don't want to spend what I'm okay. Let me just talk until my camera runs out, gets overheated and turns off. Okay, so what I like to, how I budget is basically like, yo, if I make, let's just say $1,000 a week or something, I'm gonna put $800 towards savings and the $200 towards food and necessities. You know, I am like, I have everything I need. Like, my house is already decorated, my wardrobe is already filled, my purse collection is done. Like, you know, so now it's my time where I'm 23 years old. It was my birthday recently, and I just feel like I need to budget because I need to think big, not think small. Okay, buying little things that is not worth it. So yeah, I love this planner. I really feel like it's an investment, and I feel like it's super cute. It's super me. And everybody keeps saying I look like an onion, and whenever I wear stripes, like, people say I look like an onion. And maybe I do. Maybe I'm born with it. Maybe I am born with it. Or maybe it's Erin Condren. Oh my god, just stop. I'm too ghetto for this. Am I really too ghetto for this? I think I'm too ghetto for this. But anyways, I'm kind of like whispering because I just feel shy making videos at home, like, you know. But anyways, I hope you guys can subscribe to my channel. My channel is not all about this planning stuff, but I hope maybe I can, you know, have a nice channel where all these girls can follow me, something I admire. My spouse is gonna get home and be like, it came in, you birthed it, your baby came in. Oh my god, another baby to my dog and spouses. Alright, that's my other baby. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching my video. Yay, Erin Condren, Erin Condren, Erin Condren, Erin Condren. Like, I need to stop. My window is like so open. Could you imagine anybody being like, what? I'm so immature.